In this video, we will be talking about 20 easy keyboard shortcuts that you didn't know about. So be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and ding the notification bell. Let's go. Okay, so the first on our list is the Windows plus E. When you press that, it opens a brand new screen like a file explorer. It opens the file explorer. Now another thing is the control and the mouse scroll. When you click on it and you left click, you get to zoom in and zoom out. And also we have the control and del. When you just press control and del, you delete some of the files on your system. Just control and del, control and delete, control and delete. It's very easy, just control and delete it. Although it's temporary, you can now get your files back in the recycle bin. And another option is the shift and del. This is to permanently delete files that are on your system. Very easy, just click on the yes, and for me I'll be clicking no. And window plus C, that is to open Cortana. Very easy. If you love the Cortana, you can open it very easy by using the Windows and C. Another thing is the Windows and I. This is to open setting. Windows and I. The window is the Microsoft logo on your keyboard. Very easy to open. So you basically open settings. And also window and S is to open the search for easy search. Window and S, very easy to locate on it. And another thing is the control and A. This is to select every file that is in a particular folder. To select every file like this, it has a bunch of images. You can just control and A to select every file, or if you want to select a particular file, just shift and mouse click, or you can use the control and mouse click. This is just to select files in different portion, like you want to select various files but they are not in particular arrangement. Another option, another shortcut is the control plus N key. Very easy to locate. Also, this is to open a new window. Control plus E, this is to engage the search. Control plus E, you open the search up there and you can basically search. Another thing is to rename folder. With the F2 you can rename a folder very easy. Just click on F2 and you get to rename a brand new folder. Another thing is to refresh using the F5. Very easy, just press the F5 and you refresh a particular folder to restore order. Another shortcut also is the Alt and Tab. This is if you want to switch between your screens. You want to switch between screens, you can use the Alt and Tab. Very easy, Alt and Tab. Or another thing is copying your files. Just Control and C and you get to copy your files. Control and C, then you can paste it in your required folder. Control V is also to paste. Control X is to cut. If you want to remove from a particular folder, just cut it and you can paste it wherever you want. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.